Am I the asshole for telling my sister to stop taking showers with her husband in my house? My female 32 sister, female 28, and her husband, male 32, moved in with us 2 days ago after they lost their apartment to medical debts for their child. My husband and I are more than happy to have them stay with us for a few weeks until they can get this resolved. However, yesterday at 7 p.m., I was in the kitchen when my husband rushed in. He said that he saw both my sister and her husband walk out of the bathroom. They'd most likely taken a shower together. My husband said that it irked him, and I agreed that what they did was somewhat inappropriate. He asked me to speak to my sister on the matter, and I did. Right away, she got all defensive, asking how this was affecting me or my husband in any way. I told her that it made my husband feel uncomfortable and that we would just rather her and her husband take showers separately. She started ranting about being overwhelmed by their son's health problems and not having alone time together as a married couple, and found that this activity was their only time to spend together. I apologized for how she felt, but requested that she just didn't do it again. She got mad at me and said that I was being inconsiderate and she didn't understand why my husband had a problem with what her and her husband do. We started arguing and then she stormed off to the guest room where my nephew and my brother-in-law were. Now she's not speaking to me, and my husband said that I did the right thing by talking to her and setting boundaries. And just a little bit more info, my husband didn't mention hearing anything, but he did see them come out of the bathroom together. And it's the only bathroom in the house. So are me and my husband overreacting about this?